Did you know that sculptures can hiccup? In a bizarre twist of science, certain materials used in sculptures like gypsum can expand and contract with temperature changes. This causes tiny audible pops, akin to a hiccup. Imagine walking through a gallery and hearing a statue hiccup as the room warms up. This phenomenon is not only amusing, but also a reminder of the dynamic nature of art materials. Next time you visit a museum, listen closely. You might just catch a sculpture in the act. Like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts.